Hey foodies, today I'm talking all about making an easy blueberry banana bread with nuts. You could either make this moist blueberry bread with pecans or walnuts, which I'm going to teach you all about toasting so it gets that nice crunchy top. Here you could print out the full directions at Sip Bite Go, but what you do is you mix together the banana bread ingredients and then you have your batter for the banana bread. And then you add in blueberries, fold them in gently with a spatula, and then you bake the banana bread for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. This will vary by your oven, but as long as the top is a really deep golden brown when it's done and all of those nuts are toasted on top, that usually means that it's done inside. You could do a fork test, put a fork in or put a toothpick in and see if it comes out clean. One thing I also recommend doing is at the end, to know when it's really done, I leave it in the loaf pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. It helps it cool in there, but also if it needs to cook a little bit more, I feel like that's a bit forgiving way to do it, to just leave it in the warm pan. But then after that, I transfer it to a wire rack and let it cool on the wire rack because you don't want all that steam to stay in there surrounding the bottom of the loaf. All right, foodies, well, that's my introduction to making tasty banana bread with blueberries. I hope you're inspired with all the kitchen confidence you need to make this at home. I think your family or friends will love it, and you can get my favorite recipe for it right at Sip Bite Go. And if you learned something new, leave me a like or comment review. It would mean the world to me. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!